Welcome to Console Tycoon, and we're going to start off right here. So we are going to be creating our own home console. Create new. We're gonna call it the Type R. That's okay. Oh my goodness, you have to unlock all of this. Okay, this game is kind of good. We have all of this right here. This one, like the premium ones. So we have a very long way to go. So yeah, you can see all of those ones. So we're going to unlock this one. Okay, so what is this? Or the logo. So do I want it? Yeah. This logo style 2, 3. I think that's it. So I'm gonna just pick one. Gradient. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna go with this one. Then the black lighting. Oh, it's locked. I have to unlock that. And the colors. It's not changing anything. I don't get what it's changing. Okay, so we're gonna go for the processor. If you look at the type R name over here, as soon as I change the processor name, you can see that the price increases for it. That means it's gonna be more expensive. A license, oh my goodness, you have to unlock all of these ones. That is a very big problem. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the one we had, 60,100. So gonna go with this one core, 1.2 megahertz, and only has one thread and 8 bits. Okay. Then I'll go with sound. I'm guessing this. Oh, we actually have all of these ones unlocked. There are only two. So this one is much better. It has basic sound. Wait, I wonder if we had like. Oh, we do. We have these things. Graphic processor. We have the RAM. Oh my goodness, we could change all of this. We have the built-in memory size 32. We have 64. So I'm gonna go with 64 gigabytes. That's not so good. Memory, external memory support, you have to unlock that. Then the cooling, we have fans. They even have levels. Okay, go to sound. We have this one, that's okay. Then okay, so those look like we need to unlock those. EEPROM cartridges, I don't know what these are, but I think I'm gonna go with that. I guess this stands for erasable programmable read-only RAM. Then we have the video ports. Can't leave those ones out. Then we have to buy this one like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. And the display. This is the supported screen resolution. Okay, so we are back so old. This one is black and white display. I don't think we need that. I don't know if I go with 24 hertz. They're basically the same price. I'm gonna go with 24 hertz. Then the features. Supported graphics. We have the 2D V1. Peripheral support with trackballs. I don't know. Oh, those things. Okay. In-game assistant, text assistant. Okay, that's okay. Then we have the security, basic data encryption, not available for us. Code of I don't know what that is. Okay, so we have that installed. Then the gamepad, I have to create one. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. Okay, we're gonna just create this. Oh, I'm gonna select this one. I don't have a gaming pad. Okay, so what should we name this? like I don't know what to I don't know like a pad X, the X pad, yeah, X pad, like that. Then create. What is this? I've never seen a oh the old ones. Oh my goodness, they've taken us so mid 90s exclusive design. I don't think that's nope. You're not doing that. Then the black lighting, we either have that locked. Color, I don't know what that changes. The buttons, we have the first style, then have the second one. I think I'll go with the second one. It looks modern. Okay, that's okay. Menu button, we have to unlock those. Oh my goodness, I haven't unlocked anything on this. The processor, this one needs a processor too. Yes, all those are locked. Gonna use this one, but the second version of it. Then the sound, you cannot upgrade anything, even the speakers. Oh my goodness. Then the connectors, custom 5 pin. You don't even have those. The features, I don't think we even have one of them. This is gonna be the worst console ever. The battery, power supply cable. This is gonna be the worst thing ever. Two, three, four. I think I should include only two, at least to make it like you actually did something. So it was 128 or it was 126. Then the sale price, I think that's too much. Overcharged. That should be okay. You know, if you sell it like a higher price, people won't buy it. So we're gonna create that. So this right here can be used to like get more advanced stuff, like unlock the processor and stuff. That is if you ever played Roastery games, one of their games, you'll actually notice that. Then the technology is right there, the design and the bugs. So we have only one guy doing this. Don't just, expand to like many people. In our bank right now we have 10 million. So we'll just sit back and watch this guy do his work. So as you guys can probably see here, there's zero bugs on our device. New features are available. Contracts are now available. You can sign work contracts to earn additional income and research points. So these are actually called research points. Remember, if you fail to complete the contract on time, a penalty will be. I don't think I need that right now. So I think if you go this right here, we can actually like research. Okay, so we have to like, how many copies do we want? My budget is on 10 million. The cost is gonna be so high. Okay, so we don't wanna make a loss. So we're gonna go 52 to 48. It's gonna be 5 million. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be. Okay, let's go 4 million. Gonna produce 37 copies. Okay. The first review of your console have arrived. Okay, view. It's gonna be so bad. The security system is top notch. Okay, that's okay. Huh. Okay, the price is normal, but I feel the manufacturer could lower it to be more competitive in the market. There are pros, but the cons are noticeable. Magnificent without a single flaw. Okay, superb screen resolution, delivers exceptional visual effects quality. Okay, so I was right to go with the 24 Hz. Final rating 9 out of 10. At the pad, can't imagine how it could be better. What? Decent pad, I expected more. Exceptional gamepad, absolutely the best choice. Impressed by the newest connection port on the gamepad. Okay. Cheaply made, poor quality. Oh, well, at least they're giving us better reviews than the device tycoon game and the smartphone tycoon. Those reviews are very bad and they don't hold back on you. Nintendo has released a new console. Okay, so they have licensed like companies over here, computer TV game. The new system promises fast load times and smooth gameplay. Okay, so I think there's somewhere where I used to have the leaderboard. I don't know if they changed it. I don't know if it's this one. Okay, so these are the offices. As you can see, you can actually like continue upgrading it. Don't need to do that right now. Go into here. What about this? Okay, so you're getting revenue. Okay, the batch of type R has been completely sold out. You need to create more copies while the popularity is above zero. Okay, so you need to create more. That's okay. I'm gonna create those ones. I hope I don't make a loss out of this. I just used 6 million and I have 7. Come on. So the popularity is still high, 60. Oh, it's going down very quickly. I need to make this income just above 12. A new console has been released. How? Roboton has released a new console. What? Okay, I'm so behind. Nintendo's already done it, and this one has already done it. But me, I am not signing any contract right now. Upcoming release of Pac-Man. Okay, so they're going. This is how all the games are made. So we can make our own game. Okay, that's good to know. So the popularity is still at 40%. How is this thing even this popular? What? Okay, we are now only going to create like the lowest number. I don't want to waste money. So it is still popular, but now we are going to create a handheld console. No, actually need to research on some stuff. So self-programming, 30 research points, feature not available, not available. These are the main things. I don't want a contract right now. There are so many things on console that are like smartphone and device tycoon. So headset, battery. I think I'm gonna go with the main ones. Self-programming, I don't want that. I don't think that's good. The button style on the left and on the right, the menu button, you can actually unlock that. Then the memory, unlock that. The cooling, not yet. Sound, we can unlock that for 40, but that's gonna take a lot of our research points. How is this console even this popular? You know what? I'm gonna create a game. So new game. I don't know how this is going to be, but I'm gonna just call it Pola. Pola, yeah. For PC. Okay, so we have action, adventure, RPG, strategy, casual, and simulator. I'm gonna go with simulator. Age restriction 3 plus. Okay. So you have indie game, AA game, and AAA game. So this is actually high graphics. This is medium, then this is the lowest. Okay. So we have Roman special forces weapons. Look at all about game development, drawing, driving. How is there no GTA? Oh my goodness, they should really add GTA. So I'm gonna go with special forces. I don't like Romans. I'm gonna go with weapons. Atari engine. So using this engine, which is not ours. The game says 55. I don't know if it's GB or MB, but I'm gonna guess like MB. So single player. There are so many things over here. Pixel graphics and vector. 2D. That's okay. Pixel graphics. I'm gonna go with vector. Then we have this. I have no idea what this is. Supported graphics. You have 2D V2. I'm gonna go with that. Shaders and stuff. This. The physics engine. Texture resolution. Very low. File object detailing. Very low. Particle quality. Very low. Draw distance. Very low. Near object detailing. Very low. So we have like these things which have not unlocked, okay, and also these ones. This game is so big. How they fit all this? The music, the voiceover, what? Crafting and Easter eggs? What? Okay, so Easter eggs have to be there. They're not available. Basic data encryption, I cannot have that. So code of, I don't know, obfuscation of, I am not trying that. Combining similar functions, okay. Minimizing texture sizes. I don't know what this is, but okay. Language support. Only supports English. Which is okay. I mean, like, you can unlock the rest later. So, game engine, gameplay, story, and quests. Time allocation for development. Game design, world building, dialogues, level design. Oh my goodness, polishing and finishing. This is so many things. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. I should have gone for the tutorial. Level design, I'm gonna go low. Then wall design, I'm gonna go here at 50. I'm gonna do that. I should have really gone for the tutorial. Price overcharged. What about that? So the sales price, average market price is 15. I'm going with 16.11. I'm gonna create. Type R is still selling. That is incredible. How, why do people like this thing so much? It's the worst console ever made. So create that. A new game contract. I am not signing anything. New features available. Okay. New technology available. A new sound technology. Basic surround sound. Okay. Good to know. Oh my goodness. More than 146k copies have been sold. Type R is one of the best console. Okay. Let me know how your consoles did down below in the comment section. A new console. Oh my goodness, a new, what is this, ROM? EEPROM cartridges V2. That's okay. Okay, so there's a monthly expenses. So you have the reviews. Please be good. A good experience, okay. Almost perfect, I really like it, an astounding job. But how's it significant? Superb emotions are overwhelming. The emotions, I didn't make a laugh game. Glad I tried it, it's worth the time. Okay, good to know. How many consoles are being released? I think I need to go back in time and look at all these consoles. Okay. New game. Okay. There's another new console. Our revenue just got to 2 million. That's okay. That's very good. Okay, so here's the date. We are actually in 1980. And we have 132 copies sold. Okay, good to know. Ah, the monthly expenses. What about his salary, or does he just do the work for fun? Or is that me? I think that's me. There's an award ceremony coming soon, okay? The best devices of the year. So you're gonna have like Sony over here. Okay, so there's a new office available, so we're gonna grow this office to actually making him not be lonely like this. So here's the new office. So you need 750 and 150 research points. So we have like year 1982 required. Okay, 1983, the 2000s, 2002. That's it. Okay. So now we have the 1980. So we used to have the 1995. Oh, this is another one. The 1995. Okay, that's the last one. So we're gonna buy this one. I hope I didn't make a mistake over there. Oh, so it's actually extending to this. Okay, I didn't know that. So we can actually, we did not unlock that. So a new technology is available. New generation 2D games. Okay, so here we can like improve the employees and contracts. So I don't think it's contracts. I'm going to go with improving well, we don't hiring employees. There we go. I almost did improving and I don't have them. So max reached. So now can I have employees? Yes, finally. You currently don't have employees of this type. What? Where's the hire? Oh, here. Search via social networks. I have to pay. Oh my goodness. You know what? Maybe later. Okay, so our revenue just went to 4 million. Popularity is going down quick. Oh no. You have been invited to the award ceremony. You are the best devices of the year. Okay, so here we go. Let's see where we are. The best company is. We didn't even make it to the top 3. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's okay. Do it next time. The best game of 1980. Defender. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is so painful to watch. Uh oh my goodness, Atari. Okay, that's pretty like we knew that was gonna happen. Atari is like a very good game. So we didn't make it to the top three. So we have finished like all of the copies, which are 300k, and a profit of 5 million was made. Okay. So if you guys wanna see more of Console Tycoon, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.